So we start off today's video with this custom neon sign design. Looks like they got most of their pieces from Amazon. I actually really like this idea because neon signs are expensive, so making your own is definitely going to save you a lot of money. And it only took her an hour and 15 minutes to do this. Wow, that is just so cool. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have someone who got all these items at the dollar store. This is pretty crazy to me. So she's making what looks like some type of table tray. Labels are from Amazon. Wow, she's got the fancy bottles and labels and everything. They have all of this at the dollar store? Wow, this is crazy. I love that table tray. That is so pretty. Love how she decorated it. You guys already know I'm a huge fan of gold and white and black, so love the color scheme. So I'm not quite sure what this person is doing yet with these items. Maybe making some type of, well, obviously this floral piece is involved. Oh, maybe this is like a wedding centerpiece. That's really pretty. How to upgrade your apartment bedroom for under $200. Wallpaper. Peel and stick from Amazon. Oh, she did the statement wall. Love this trend. And then she got some mirrors. Yeah, this looks amazing. Beautiful space. So we have another dollar store DIY here. Looks like she has some plates, glasses, some containers, gluing them together. Oh, looks like she's making a fruit basket. Well, not basket, but stand of some sort. So she painted it matte black. Oh, wow. That looks amazing. Oh yeah, that is definitely like a beautiful fruit bowl. That's what I was thinking of. Not basket, bowl. Fruit bowl. Oh, that's cute. It's like such a plain design, but it works. So then we have some different ways somebody elevated their bathroom. Greenery. Don't forget the greenery, especially in the bathroom. Candles. Clear jars. Yes, I love everything about this. And then a runner. Tissue box cover. White towels. Yes, this person is on point. So then we have another neon sign DIY. Oh, they're doing the Mr. and the Mrs. That would actually be a cool video idea. Wedding DIYs. Thumbs up if you want to see that. Oh, I love that. Mr. and Ms. Oh, that is so cute. Yeah, if you are getting married, definitely DIY your decorations because it gets crazy expensive. So it looks like we have someone who's going to be doing like a floral wall here. And this is a very popular trend right now. Very pretty color scheme. I feel like this is a nice, like, TikTok aesthetic. Very cute. Oh, I love it. Very nicely done. So then we have someone just repurposing an old potter. Oh, wow, they're doing like a watercolor effect. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, that is gorgeous. Very cool. And then we have someone doing a furniture flip here. Oh, they're putting in shelving on the side. Oh, this is really cool. Okay, so they weren't shelves, they were just like building it out. Oh, wow. Beautiful color. Oh, that looks amazing. So cool. I just love watching furniture flips. All right, you guys. So I hope you guys were able to feel inspired by today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.